2.7, which is to change the model units. Wow, well, we just did that because we had to, but we're going to just do it again anyway. Activity 2.7, change the units of the system from metric to English. Try it. Use the units menu in the bottom right of the workspace to change the model units. Notice that the CAD system does a conversion so the part stays the same size but is expressed in different units. For example, a feature of 1 inch long becomes 25.4 millimeters when the units are changed from English to metric units. Okay, choose the surface highlighted below. Okay, I think that what we're talking about is this surface. Okay, choose the surface. Let me just keep reading this here. Choose the surface highlighted below by double-clicking it in the 3D geometry. Okay, did I double-click it or did I just single-click it? Okay, either way. When you do this, the feature parameters will appear. That's true. See, here's 28.6 millimeters. Excuse me, 26 millimeters. When you change the units, verify that these numbers change. Okay, great. Let's do it. This should become just over 1 inch when we switch this to inches. Let's see what we got. It's thinking, got to do the same thing. Go ahead and click on these. Yeah, 1.02 inches. Excellent. Yeah, oh, actually, that's what the next bullet tells us. Change the units to IPS, inch, pound, seconds. Notice that the diameter of the bolt flange changes from 26 millimeters to 1.02 inches. Change it back to millimeters, grams, seconds. Okay, millimeters, grams, seconds. Here we go. That's helpful that we can change the model units. Okay, great. So that is the first set of activities, activities 2.1 to 2.7. And I'm just reading now in the book. It's telling me a couple of important things have happened. By doing these activities, you experience 3 important things. 1, how CAD facilitates information sharing. Imagine, for example, how difficult it would have been for me to describe the turbocharger geometry to you if we didn't have this CAD model. Would have been super difficult. Okay, item number 2. How CAD facilitates visualization or exploration. Without a doubt, you have a better understanding of the turbocharger as you interacted with it by rotating it, zooming in on details, making cross-sections, etc. And last but not least, here number 3, how CAD facilitates design changes. Imagine how valuable design iteration can be with an easily changeable CAD model, such as the one that we have right now. Now we know enough about the CAD system to navigate the model, to understand what the model does.